Good morning everyone. Myself Rashi Shukla from FCM department. Today I am here to present my topic product life cycle. What is product life cycle? Product life cycle starts with the development stage till its decline stage. Every product has 4 stages just like introduction, growth, maturity and decline. Okay, in the introduction part, first of all we have to know what we do in introduction part. In introduction part, basically every brand owner creates the product development and also creates awareness among the customers, because in this stage basically product awareness programs has to be done, and afterwards once the product is known by the customers, then it goes to the next stage, that is growth stage. In the growth stage, slowly and steadily customers start buying that product and started to give their feedbacks whether it is liked by the customers or not. Then afterwards in the growth stage, then it comes to the maturity stage. In the maturity stage, the product is already creates its own goodwill in the market and comes to the saturation point, because it already creates the image in the minds of the customers, and all the customers know the product very well, and also the demand of the product is also very high in the market. Slowly and steadily afterwards, once the product achieve its saturation point, then it comes to the decline point. In this decline stage, the products slowly and steadily are not liked by the customers more, because the brand owners did not create any kind of innovation or creativity which the customers wants in that product, and simultaneously various other products, various new technologies comes day by day. That is why the current technology, that is why the product also lost its validity. Because for example, just quote an example, for example the typewriters lost its validity nowadays just because the computers and the laptops. And now the current example is the electric bicycles, electric bikes, electric cars, just because the consumption of fuel is very high, and the government and the people government and the people find out the substitute, and electric cars and electric bikes are the best example of substitution of the CNG and the petrol cars and bikes. Now come to the next topic, which is marketing mix. What is marketing mix? Marketing mix basically includes the 4 P's. What is the 4 P's? And what is 4 P's? Product, price, place and promotion. Okay, first of all, what do you understand by the product? Product is something which satisfy the needs, wants and desires of the customers. Fine. Marketing mix basically includes the 4 P's, and the first P is product. And what is product? Product satisfy the needs, wants and desires of the customers. Next is what? Next P is what? Price. What is price? The price of the product. And basically the price of the product is which is easily purchased by the customers. So the producers basically consider the pricing policy which is affordable, which is minimum price policy adopted by the producer, so that every customer can easily buy that product. Next is what? The place. Place is the area in which the product is basically supplied by the producers to purchase by the different customers. Places basically includes the target audience like cities, metropolitan cities, villages, districts, etc. So place basically is the most important part, because according to the place product supply, because in rural areas basically the high products या luxury products are not purchased frequently, but in metropolitan cities luxury items are purchased by the customers frequently. So every producers, every manufacturers consider all the 4 P's while marketing that product. Next is what? Promotion. Promotion is the most important part of marketing mix, just because without promoting your product, the customers don't aware about your product. Customers not know about the product quality, about the product price, about the product ingredients. So promotion strategies are of different kinds, just like sales promotion, advertising, direct selling, and currently the most important is online marketing. Online marketing is very frequently adopted by the producers because it targets a large number of people, because in place it considers only a particular area, but when we adopted the online marketing, it creates it targets a large number of audience at one time. Sales promotion. In sales promotions, various producers give offers like 20% off, buy one get one. These all kinds of offers comes in the sales promotion. In advertising, there are various advertising strategies like celebrities advertising and emotional connection creates in the advertising strategies between the customers and the product. Direct selling or door-to-door selling adopted by various small vendors, small manufacturers, and last but not the least is online shopping like in Flipkart, Amazon, Myntra, etc. etc. That's all. Yeah, marketing mix is the most important part of any promotion strategies, and marketing mix is nothing but it does the 4 P's: product, price, place, and promotion. Thank you.